Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create animations from a single image. So, let's get started. You will head on over to the Leonardo AI website and log in. Once you do that, you will go ahead and click on the image generation button that is on the left-hand side panel. I'm currently using the legacy mode and free plan for this tutorial. On the left-hand side panel, you can change the settings to what your project needs. Just remember that not all features will be available on the free plan. If you need to use extra features, then you may need to upgrade your plan. Okay, so now type in your prompt of what you would like to generate. I went with a cute panda drawing. Once you click on the Generate button, you will see your creation. You can generate using the same prompt to give a different look, or you can change the prompt by adding or removing words. Once you have generated an image that you like, you will now go back to the main page where you will see the motion button. Click on it. Then, after that, you will select your image of choice and click Confirm. For the motion strength section, you can change it to how much of a motion you want the picture to have. But I'll leave it at 5, then click Generate, and after that click View Generation. So now just give it a couple of minutes for it to generate. And there you go. Now you have turned your regular image into a motion image clip, which is only about 4 seconds. You can download it as a MP4 file. Here is a couple of more I have created. Now you know how to turn any image into a motion image clip. Using this method, you can create anything. So I'll put the link in the description below. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.